live with the newly crowned Miss Eco International, Alexa Brooks from the Philippines.
Yes.
So congratulations. How are you feeling right now?
Actually, I earlier when I was left with Yulinar, like I was saying to myself, na kahit sino na lang sa amin manalo. Because I know the girl, I know her advocacy, I know what she's done, and I told myself na kahit sino. But then, you know, in the back of my mind, I've been wanting to do this for my grandma. I mean, she passed away recently, and it was her birthday 4 days ago. So every time kasi birthday ni Lola, tinatanong ko kung anong gusto niya. And whenever I compete, I always bring home the gold. So I thought this time I'll bring home the crown. And I did bring her home the crown, so I'm really, really happy. I'm out of words right now, and I'm so happy and so grateful for all my supporters there in the Philippines and across the globe, even here in Egypt. Andito na nga sila. So thank you all so much. I'm very happy, and I will give it my best for this competition again, and then for Miss Eco organization, I'll definitely give it my best. Again, maraming salamat po sa suporta niyo. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong lahat.
Okay, Alexa, did you ever expect to win going into the competition?
Alam mo, actually, ever since I joined Miss Universe Philippines and then I was given a crown from Miss Eco International, I thought it was really redirection to me until I realized that, you know, I grew up in a generational farmer family, and then after nun, you know, I was looking for my father all throughout my life, and then the closest of me finding him is someone from Egypt who was a leader of their band, who was a musician. So I thought that coming in here was such an alignment to what I wanted in life. And then later on nga, sabi ko, sa Alexandria pa kami magkukumpit, pangalan ko na yon, baka akin na yon. So part of me is denying na baka hindi, baka, you know, delusion lang. And part of me, of course, I want to bring home the crown. I want to make every Filipino proud. I want to inspire other people. And then I want to be the first black girl who won Miss Eco International. And I'm very, very happy.
At final moment, standing next to Miss Indonesia, what was going through your head?
To be honest with you, nung una, like, I was telling myself, kahit sino na. Kasi at least Asian. And we're friends. We became best friends in this competition. But of course, part of me, I was closing my eyes. I was looking up. I was looking down. I was actually crying. Kasi sabi ko, like, please Lord, bigay mo naman. Birthday ni Lola. I wanna make her happy na kahit wala na siya, I'll still forever make her proud. And all I can think about is, you know, the journey that I went through, the things that I went through in life to be in this moment, and it all paid off. All the hard work, all the pain that I went through really paid off, and all the people that been supporting me all throughout, they really contributed to this. So I'm very, very happy to be in here now.
Okay, finally, Alexi, you know, the whole Philippines is behind your journey
Yes,
in Miss
ma'am.
Eco from day one until, you know, you finally won the crown. Your message.
Of course, to all my supporters in Filipino, to all the Filipinos, regardless where you are in the globe, kita-kita ko po yung supportan nyo ever since the beginning ng competition. Grabe kayo magmahal, grabe kayo magsuporta, even on the online voting. Grabe po kayo. Some of you even went to church to pray for me, and it all paid off. And when I come back home, we will all celebrate this. Abanse Pilipinas!
Okay, now introduce yourself.
I am Alexi Meika Imosu Brooks, and I am your Miss Eco International 2025!
Thank you, Alexi.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back sa ating pinakabagong video. Sa vlog na ito is magbibigay tayo ng update dahil naiuwi po at nasungkit ni Alexi Brooks ang corona dito sa Miss Eco International. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At walang mapagsidlan ng saya ang ating kababayan na si Alexi Brooks matapos siya ang tanghaling Miss Eco International 2025 na ginanap sa bansang Egypt. And in fact, bago po yung laban ni Alexi nung madaling araw today is nag-update po tayo sa kanya na siya ay nagbigay ng update, and then nagkaroon siya ng live session dito sa kanyang social media account. At pinag-uusapan natin itong si Alexi dahil ito ay bilang suporta sa kanya, dahil sa tingin ko ay deserve niya na suportahan dito sa kanyang laban. Napaka-humble at napakabait na tao itong si Alexi, at sa tingin naman natin ay deserve itong pag-crown sa kanya bilang Miss Eco International. But hindi pa rin po mawala yung mga allegations or yung mga iskandalo, mga kontrobersiya, dahil ito ay isang competition at marami nga ang nagsasabi na sinayang lang daw ng email page itong si Alexi dito sa Miss Universe Philippines 2024, na sana ay siya lang ipinadala doon sa Mexico para sa nasabing competition last year. So ang sabi ng ilan ay sinayang lang daw ng organization itong si Alexi kung siguro kung siya yung ipinadala or naging pambato natin doon sa MU 2024 ay siguro mas maganda yung ranking natin kung ikukumpara dito kay Chelsea Manalo. So ito yung mga sinasabi nila. So sa tingin ko naman yung maging reaction ko dito is normal naman na everyone is entitled to give their opinion, but sa tingin ko ito ay destiny talaga ni Alexi dito sa Miss Eco International, kasi doon sa Miss Universe is hindi naman natin na ma-predict kung maganda yung maging kapalaran niya kung sasali nga siya sa top 30. So hindi natin masabi yung quote nga 'di ba ni Catriona na redirected lang talaga itong naging kapalaran ni Alexi, at talagang dito talaga naka-destiny sa Eco International itong ating kababayan na nanalo ng corona today. Okay, so at aside nga rin dito sa mga issue ng ating mga kabayan is meron pong issue yung mga taga-ibang bansa, kasi sinasabi nagbibigay-bigay daw ng mango itong si Alexi dito sa mga judges. So kumbaga plus points daw ito, at hindi nila nagustuhan na para sa kanila is may kulay daw yung pagbibigay ni Alexi ng mga offering dito sa sa mga judges. Well, sa tingin ko naman ang talagang basis dito ng Miss Eco International Organization is yung performance pa rin, at the same time yung naging sagot ni Alexi doon sa question and answer portion. At alam naman natin na pag kandidata ng Pilipinas, ito talaga ang laging binabantayan ng organization dahil nga tayo is powerhouse tayo ng mga beauty queens. Okay, so yun lang po yun, kasi ang mga taga Indonesia, mga taga Thailand, mga taga Vietnam at yung mga karatig bansa natin dito sa Asia ay napapareact na naman, at hindi nila nagustuhan itong pagkapanalo ni Alexi Brooks. Sabi nila ay fair daw ang laban pag Pilipinas ang nananalo. So pag hindi daw Pilipinas ang nananalo ay may daya daw. So yun ang kailang himutok at mga comment dito sa social media. Okay, so wala na po silang magagawa mga kapolitika dahil naiuwi na po natin ang corona ng Miss Eco International 2025. At gusto ko rin lang po palang i-mention dito si CJ Opiasa dahil meron po siyang participation dito sa pagkapanalo ni Alexi Brooks, dahil siya ay queen maker na ngayon, dahil isa nabanggit natin doon sa ating naunang video na siya ang isa sa mga trainer ni Alexi dito sa pasarela. So meron malaking ang naiambag ni CJ Opiasa, in other words, dito sa tagumpay na tinamo ni Alexi. Okay, so yun po ang ating update sa pagkapanalo ni Alexi sa Miss Eco International. At ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon dito sa pagkapanalo ng ating kababayan na kung saan ay sinayang daw ng Miss Universe Philippines Organization si Alexi nitong nakarang taon matapos na ilaglag siya sa top 5. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Philippines. Imagine the world in 2050. Wow, that's scary just to think about. Imagine the world in 2050. What's one thing you hope has changed and why?
You know, if you want me to be realistic, climate change is impacting our world right now. And the only thing that we can do is to act towards it. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, we have the same mother, even if we came from different nations. And we in here are brothers and sisters right now. And our mother is asking for our help. So we must save our planet Earth, and we must take care of our Mother Earth. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Philippines.